Live edge wood has become one of the most sought-after design trends in recent years, and for good reason. It effortlessly bridges the gap between raw nature and refined interiors, offering a look that's both rustic and sophisticated. With its organic shapes, visible grain patterns, and preserved natural edges, live edge wood introduces authenticity and character to any room. Unlike manufactured decor pieces that follow strict geometric lines, live edge creations embrace imperfections, knots, curves, and all, which gives them unmatched uniqueness. For homeowners, crafters, or designers looking to bring the outdoors in, live edge wood crafts offer endless possibilities that blend functionality with artistry. Hello there. Welcome to Kuki Decor. In today's video, we are diving into the raw beauty and timeless charm of live edge wood. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a home decor lover, or just someone who appreciates nature-inspired design, these live edge wood craft ideas will spark your creativity and elevate your space. From stunning coffee tables to floating shelves and artistic wall panels, discover how to bring the elegance of the forest straight into your home with a modern twist. Let's explore how nature's imperfections can create perfect decor pieces. One of the most iconic uses of live edge wood is in the creation of statement coffee tables. Whether you're working with walnut, oak, acacia, or maple, a solid slab of live edge wood instantly transforms into a centerpiece that radiates natural warmth. You can leave the slab raw and matte for a rustic feel, or polish and epoxy it for a more contemporary, glossy finish. Pairing the natural slab with modern metal legs or a minimalist wooden base creates a powerful contrast between nature and industrial style, an excellent fit for both urban lofts and country homes. Some designs even incorporate river-style epoxy features between two live edges, simulating flowing water and adding a mesmerizing visual dimension. Floating live edge shelves are another beautiful way to utilize this material in your home. These can be mounted in kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, or bedrooms to serve as open storage or display units. The organic edge of the wood adds character and visual interest even in small spaces. For a cleaner look, they can be paired with hidden brackets or minimalist black hardware. For those with green thumbs, placing potted plants, books, or handmade ceramics on these shelves enhances the natural appeal. Floating live edge shelves not only serve practical purposes, but also act as functional art. In the realm of wall decor, live edge wood panels and wall-mounted pieces are gaining traction. Artists and DIY enthusiasts are turning single slabs or even smaller cut pieces into abstract arrangements, wooden canvases, or geometric installations. When stained or burned lightly with a torch, these panels showcase deep contrast and texture. You can use live edge planks to craft headboards, mirror frames, or even entire accent walls that bring a raw, organic feel into otherwise modern rooms. The juxtaposition of the live edge contours against flat painted walls creates a bold visual narrative, grounding your interior design in the natural world. Another creative and underappreciated way to use live edge wood is in kitchen accessories and tabletop items. From rustic serving trays and cheese boards to coasters and centerpieces, smaller pieces of live edge wood can be crafted into charming yet practical accents. These items often feature rich textures and grains that are unique to each piece, making every creation one of a kind. Whether used in day-to-day life or displayed during gatherings, they add a touch of nature's elegance to your dining and entertaining experiences. For those who love to mix design with utility, live edge wood benches offer a perfect balance. Placed at the end of a bed, along a hallway, or by a window, these benches become both seating and sculpture. Whether supported by hairpin legs for a mid-century look or chunky wood blocks for a rustic vibe, their organic silhouettes ensure that no two pieces are alike. When paired with textiles like woven throws or leather cushions, the contrast in materials creates a cozy, welcoming ambience. One of the most sustainable aspects of live edge wood is its alignment with eco-conscious design principles. Often sourced from salvaged or fallen trees, live edge slabs make use of what might otherwise be discarded. By repurposing these pieces into functional decor, you're helping reduce waste and promoting an environmentally friendly lifestyle. Each slab tells a story, from the rings that mark the tree's age to the natural cracks that speak to weather and time. For those drawn to the wabi-sabi philosophy, which embraces imperfection and impermanence, live edge wood is a perfect medium. Many artisans and woodworkers are also experimenting with combining live edge wood and resin. This marriage of organic and synthetic materials creates visually arresting pieces. Resin can be tinted with pigments, metallics, or even natural elements like stones and leaves. When poured around the edges or into natural crevices in the wood, resin adds a modern, luxurious twist that elevates the piece. These creations are popular in modern dining tables, wall clocks, serving trays, and even lighting fixtures. Another overlooked live edge application is in bathroom vanity tops or countertops. Sealed properly, a slab of live edge wood can serve as a countertop that adds warmth and contrast to the sleek finishes often found in bathrooms, such as ceramic tiles, marble, or stainless steel fixtures. This creates a spa-like atmosphere, where natural elements soften the coldness of hard surfaces. Paired with stone or vessel sinks, live edge vanities become serene focal points in personal wellness spaces. Even in workspaces or home offices, live edge desks and workbenches are gaining popularity. These pieces offer a more human, connected feel compared to manufactured alternatives. A well-chosen live edge slab can promote calm and inspiration, especially when contrasted with modern tech equipment. The uniqueness of the desk surface, complete with its curves and texture, reminds users of nature's presence even in productivity-focused spaces. For DIY enthusiasts, starting with smaller live edge projects such as key holders, wall hooks, or photo frames is a great way to ease into the craft. These beginner-friendly creations require minimal tools, but still carry the signature charm of live edge wood. They also make for thoughtful, handmade gifts that are appreciated for both their beauty and the effort behind them. When it comes to finishing live edge wood, there are several techniques depending on the desired aesthetic. You can keep the wood raw with natural oils like tung or linseed for a matte, earthy finish. For a more polished look, sanding and applying clear epoxy or polyurethane brings out the richness of the grain and protects the wood from moisture and wear. Some artisans embrace the cracks and voids by filling them with dark resin, metal inlays, or even gold leaf for a more artistic appearance. Ultimately, live edge wood craft ideas provide an opportunity to reconnect with the natural world while expressing personal creativity and style. Whether you're going big with a full dining table or adding small touches through floating shelves or coasters, these pieces bring organic warmth, sculptural interest, and timeless elegance into any environment. They tell stories of trees, of hands that shaped them, and of homes that celebrate their presence. In a world that's increasingly digital and fast-paced, surrounding ourselves with materials that are imperfect, tactile, and rooted in nature is more than just a design trend, it's a lifestyle choice. At Kuki Decor, we believe in crafting with intention and decorating with soul. Live edge wood is more than just material, it's an invitation to slow down, appreciate the beauty in the imperfect, and let nature be part of our everyday spaces. Whether you're styling your living room, crafting a unique table, or simply adding a handmade touch to your walls, live edge wood helps create a home that's grounded, elegant, and deeply personal. Thanks for watching. We hope these live edge wood craft ideas inspired you to embrace the organic beauty of natural materials in your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative woodworking and rustic modern decor inspiration. Got a favorite idea or planning a live edge project of your own? Share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep crafting with nature's finest.